Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the formula of pharmacology. I have written here 8 formulas which are frequently asked formula. If you remember this is more than sufficient for the pharmacology point of view. Okay, so the first formula is the maintenance dose, which is equal to zero point 0.7 into dose upon half-life into time. I repeat, maintenance dose is equal to 0.7 into dose divided by half-life into time. Another is loading dose. The first one was maintenance dose, second is loading dose, which is equal to apparent volume of distribution into plasma concentration upon bioavailability fraction. Okay, bioavailability of the fraction is 100% for intravenous. Just remember that. Okay, third formula is infusion rate, which is equal to rate of drug elimination, which is equal to plasma concentration into clearance. Infusion rate is equal to rate of drug elimination is equal to plasma concentration into clearance. Fourth is in the case of zero order kinetics. In case of zero order kinetics, as the doses will increases, half-life will also increases and the clearance will be decreases. In zero order kinetics, as the doses will increases, half-life will increases and the clearance will be decreases. The fifth formula is the log 10 unconcentrated ions divided by ionic concentration is equal to pKa minus pH. This is for acidic drug. For acidic drug, unconjugated ion concentration should be above and the ionic concentration should be remain below. Okay, for the acidic drug, the unconjugated unconcentrated anionic concentration label will be on numerator and the ionic concentration will be on denominator. In case of basic drug, this will be in vice versa. This will be in the opposite side. The ionic concentration will be on top and the anionic concentration will be below. Okay, the seventh formula is plasma protein binding. Okay, the plasma protein binding is inversely proportional to apparent volume of distributions. If the plasma protein binding level increase, then the apparent volume of distribution will decrease. And the eighth formula is half-life. The half-life is equal to 0.7 into volume distributions into volume of distribution upon clearance. Volume of distribution is nothing, this is apparent volume of the distributions. So half-life is equal to 0.7 into volume distribution upon the clearance. Okay, I would like to repeat all of the formula again. The first one was the maintenance dose, which is equal to 0.7 into dose upon half-life into time. Second is the loading dose, which is equal to apparent volume of the distribution into plasma concentration upon F, that is the bioavailability fraction, and the bioavailability fraction is 100% or is equal to 1 for IV use, for the intravenous use. And third is infusion rate, which is equal to the rate of drug elimination is equal to plasma concentration into clearance. Fourth is in zero order kinetics, as the dose will increases, half-life will increases and the clearance will decreases. And the fifth one is a log 10 upon anionic concentration divided by ionic concentration is equal to pKa minus pH for the acidic drug. And the sixth is the log 10 is equal to ionic concentration divided by anionic concentration is equal to pKa minus pH for the basic drug. And the 7 is the plasma protein binding is inversely proportional to the apparent volume of the distributions. And the 8 is half-life is equal to 0.7 into volume of distributions upon clearance. Thank you.